Good evening. This is Jared with Carbon Digital, and today we're looking at a plugin to fix your padlock solutions. So this website here obviously is unsecure. This is not my website. I'm actually just looking at trying to get them as a client. So this is a perfect example. So if you go to whynopadlock.com, you plug in their URL for that page and hit test page. And it's going to run everything. Now, this one actually has, I ran it before, and it has a large list of errors. So they have quite a bit of work to do to resolve all of these. But right out the gate, they're not forcing HTTPS, and they have a lot of hard failures and some soft failures. So assuming that you've done all of the prep work to force HTTPS, if this is still an issue where your URL is not, where your URL for your content, like images, this is where this happens the most. Your images are not loading with HTTPS right here, then this is a good way to actually fix this. So you're going to pull open your WordPress, and you're going to go to plugins, add new. You're going to type in better, search, replace, and hit enter. And here we go. This one here by Delicious Brains. This is the one we're looking at. So we're going to install this, and then we're going to activate it once that's available. Please note that I'm actually on my own website, so I can't execute those changes, but I can show you how to do them. I've already resolved my own issues, so I can't do anything to show you a live example. But settings, where we at? This is tools, better, search, replace. So click on that, and it's going to pop up with this. So here are all of the tables in the database. So you can select one and do Command or Control. Oh, right here, Control click. So I could select multiple ones like that, or I can just do Control A or Command A, either one. But what we're going to do is we're going to search for the bad value, which in this first one here comes all the way to here. We'll just copy that, paste it in here, and then paste it again, but add an S at the beginning, right? And when we hit run search replace, it's actually going to give us a list of all options, right? So I can actually run this right now, HTTP versus HTTPS for all tables. So this is run as dry run, which means a test case. So test it to see if you have any problems. So I'll go ahead and test mine. Run test. Now it's checking all of the databases to see if there's any problems. And now we get the results. So I have 121 cells that were found that need to be updated. Well, that's creepy, because I already ran this. But this is how that works. Post meta, okay. That sucks. So let's go ahead and actually execute that. So we're going to uncheck this and replace. It's going to update every one of those tables. All right, 29 tables searched, 121 cells changed, 121 updates. So that's pretty cool. So now we can come back and run our search again, see if our results return as 0. 0 found, no changes made. Cool. So now if I come here and I search my own website, I should never have any problems, which I shouldn't have any issues anyway because I already tested it, but still. So this is actually checking my website right now, which it's not going to check the database. That's important to note. Yeah, I didn't expect anything here. So this only checks the actual page, the actual stuff you can see in the page, and better search replace changes the entire database, which actually all of the page content for WordPress is located in the database. So that's why this is a really phenomenal tool. But what you would do is you would make sure that you have your SSL on, it's valid, and it's forced, right? And once that's done, then you can come in here with Better Search Replace plugin and just go through each one of these one at a time to update them, right? And it's really simple. It's a little tedious, especially once you get a lot of them. But going through each one of these and just updating these URLs to replace them with an S will actually return no mixed content errors, which is exactly what you're looking for. And when that's done, you're going to get a little padlock here, just like here on my website, you can see connection is secure, and now it's got that padlock. So that's going to be showing on multiple modern browsers like Firefox and Chrome, and probably Edge as well. I haven't checked. But that's kind of a big thing because this will boost trust, right? If you have no lock here, if this is not an SSL certificate, it's not secure, then that means that people have the potential to not trust you. I actually do not submit a contact us form if the website's not secure. I don't spend any money if the website's not secure because that's a security risk. That's a big problem. And so I only work with people who actually have a secure website. And a lot of people in the world out there, they operate like that because we've learned about security over the years. So that's where we get our results, and we look to see what the results are, and we update these inside of Better Search and Replace. So that way we get our padlock, our secure connection certification, however you want to talk about it. I mean, secure, HTTPS, and having an SSL certificate is all the same. So it all means the same thing. So that is all for this video. If you guys have any questions, concerns, comments, complaints, send them over. If I have to redo the video to explain something else, I will. But that's all that I have for today. Until next time, guys, happy coding.